Today we are making chicken chana. This is a very delicious recipe to try at home. Before we start this recipe, please subscribe to our channel Cooking and Style. Now let's start this very delicious recipe. For this recipe we will need half kg chicken, oil 6 tablespoons, boiled chana 250 grams, 2 chopped onions, 4 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 2 tomatoes and 2 green chilies, coriander powder 1 tablespoon, garam masala powder 1 teaspoon, red chili powder 1 teaspoon, turmeric powder 1 teaspoon and salt 1 teaspoon. Now heat 6 tablespoons of oil and add the chopped onion. Make sure to fry it until it is golden brown. Make sure the onions do not burn. Once the onions are fried, add ginger garlic paste. Once the ginger garlic paste is properly cooked, add the chicken. Make sure to cook it well for 10 to 14 minutes. Make sure the chicken is properly cooked. Once it is fried, add the chopped tomato. Now add yogurt 2 tablespoons. Make sure to mix the yogurt properly, then add all of the spices. Mix the spices and then cook it properly. Now add the chopped green chilies. And then add the boiled chana. After adding the chana, cook it properly. Cook it properly. We will add a jar masala, Ajwain, Maithray and Kalonji 1 tablespoon, 1 glass of water. Cover it for some time. Alhamdulillah, the chicken chana recipe is now done. This is a very delicious recipe. If you have not subscribed to our channel Cooking and Style, please subscribe. Press the bell icon to be notified of when we upload new videos. Like this video and share this video with your friends and family. You can also find the ingredients to the recipe in the description box down below. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Allah Hafiz, thank you for watching.